Reading your Facebook posts and comments online, I know that most of you are looking for homemade tasting desserts this time of year, even though you don't want to turn on your ovens. So with that in mind, what do you say we whip up a fresh tasting homemade ice cream bar that's irresistibly good? We start by placing some store-bought lemon sandwich cookies in a food processor and chopping them until they're coarsely crushed. You may need to do this in batches. Then we stir in some melted butter. Half of this goes into a baking dish that we've lined with foil. Make sure you pat this down firmly to create a crust. As for the filling, we mix some softened vanilla ice cream with a bit of lemon juice and lemon zest and give it a quick stir. Then we swirl in some blueberry preserves and layer this over our cookie crust. Now we'll firmly press the rest of the crumb mixture onto the top and into the freezer it goes. Once it sets up, remove the foil, cut it into squares, and it's ready to serve. There you have it. Perfect homemade ice cream sandwiches that are brimming with lemon and blueberries. To get the step-by-step recipe for our blueberry lemon ice cream sandwiches, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet no-bake way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.